Hello, my name is Tyler Warfield. I'm lead energy advisor here at American Home Contractors. We work directly with Tesla, offering both their Tesla solar roof, which is a full roof replacement, to their Tesla solar panels and power walls. Today we'll be going over the Tesla solar panel. It is a 420 watt option, is our new offering going into 2026, provided by Tesla directly, assembled in their Buffalo Gigafactory. Let's take a look. To the front here. Slowly put her down. Wow, look at that. So the Tesla panel is actually going to have 18 power zones opposed to the standard 6 on average solar panels. Now, before we get too deep into that, these are completely different products. I do want to highlight that first and foremost. This is our Tesla solar roof, our top-of-the-line luxury product that we offer. It is an amazing system from start to finish. It is going to be the top roof and solar system that you can get on the market. Not only that, it completely blends the aesthetics, giving them a cohesive look and incredible durability across both products. Now, the panels themselves, this is a different system. This is their actual solar panel that they came out with this past year. This is going to be mounted on top of your existing roof or on a new roof. As I mentioned, there are 18 total power zones opposed to the standard 6 that are on a panel today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 3. This is going to give you more production earlier into the day and later into the evenings. All in all, totaling roughly about 6 extra days of total production for the entire year compared to a standard 6-zone panel. All in all, nearly a 20% increase on all-in power. So the mounting system for this panel is actually going to be one of the lowest on the market. It's only roughly about 1.5 to 2 inches that actually goes above your roof deck for the roof itself. All in all, it's completely hidden around the edges. We do a beautiful skirting for the project, so you will not see any of our mounting, you will not see any of our wiring, and it is going to provide some form of protection, all in all, from wear and tear on the system, which is great. The solar panel, one of the main things that I do also always like to highlight is this is actually assembled in the Buffalo Gigafactory, just like the Tesla solar roof is for the Tesla team, making this easily accessible for our teams. We can get this product, it's ready to go, and we are out there installing it starting this year.